How much YouTube paid me for a video of 8K views? That's one of the questions a lot of people ask before starting YouTube. They want to know whether YouTube pays or not. And if YouTube pays, how much does YouTube pay for a particular views or a video of just 8K views? I'm even surprised about this particular earning because I wasn't expecting that much on this particular video. So now I don't want to waste your time with so much talking. Let me take you to my dashboard and show you this video and explain some few things for you to know why YouTube paid me that amount of money on a video of just 8K views. So now this is my dashboard. This is a video I am talking about. Let's look at the views so far. Specifically, this video has gained 8,612 views on YouTube. And then when you also look at the watch hours, you will notice that this video has generated 517 watch hours on YouTube. It has also generated 353 subscribers for the channel. Now let's scroll down and let me show you how we got our views. We have how viewers find this video, and when you look at this particular video, people got this video through the YouTube browse features, and that gave us 56.9% views. Then we also have suggested videos that gave us 20.8% views. Other YouTube features gave us 7.8% views. Then YouTube search gave us 6% views, and then direct or unknown sources give us 3.8% views. Then when you click on others, you also have 4.7 views. So now this is the external site that we had our views from. WhatsApp played the highest role in this, that is 21.6%. Then we also have the Google search, that is 18.5% views. WhatsApp.com gave us 17.9% view, and the WhatsApp business gave us 5.6% views. Then Facebook gave us 3.1% views. What I can say with this thing is that, some of your viewers that watch your videos share the video with their friends on either WhatsApp or on Facebook. At the same time, the video automatically appears in some of these external sites. If you are able to optimize your video well, that is when you get views from external sources aside the YouTube platform. Now, when you come back to the traffic sources here, you will notice that we have suggested views that give us 20.8%. When you scroll down, you see the video that are suggesting my video on YouTube. So these are some of the videos that are suggesting my videos on YouTube. Now let's look at the impression. When you look at the impression, you can see that so far this video has reached 93.9k people on YouTube, and out of the 93.9k people on YouTube, we had the impression click rate at 6.5%. Now let's go to the engagement. This video has given us 517 watch hours on YouTube, and the average view duration is 3 minutes 36 seconds. Now let's move to the audience retention. Now when you click on the intro, you will notice that I have 49% of my viewers that watch the video for the first 30 seconds. And then when you also click on the top moment of this video, you will notice that my viewers watch the video right from the minute 1 to the 9th minute. That means I have my viewers watching the video continuously for a long time without dropping. And then when you look at the feedback YouTuber has given me, it said, "Nice work. This video has a part that kept your viewers watching for longer than usual." So that's what happens when you make a video with a good hook. People are able to watch the video from the beginning to the end if it's a good video. But if your video doesn't carry much value, you will see people dropping off from your video. Initially, I had my top moment right from the beginning to the end, but it has dropped a little. That is why we have it on the 9th minute, okay, which is not bad because this is almost 13 minutes video with average view duration of 3 minutes or almost 4 minutes. Now when you look at the audience where my viewers are watching this video from, you will notice that majority of my viewers were new viewers, that is 63.6%. Then we also have casual viewers, that is 35.6%, and my regular viewers were less than 1%, meaning that I have to work on my community so that I can have consistent community or consistent viewers on my video. Now when you also look at the device type, that's the device that people use to watch this particular video, we have mobile phone that gave us 57.1%, and computer gave us 24.4%. TV gave us 13.4%, and tablet gave us 5.2%. What this means is that the reason why YouTube will give you this particular analytics is that when making a video, make a video that will fit on all devices, because people use different type of device to watch your video. So what this means is that if you're exporting your video, make sure you export your video in the high quality, that is 4K, so that people who watch the video on a larger screen will be able to watch the video, or will be able to enjoy your graphic, or get a quality video to watch. But if you export a video in the low resolution, anytime people who uses large screens like a computer or TV to watch your video, the graphics become distorted or the video become distorted. That makes them click off from the video because the quality is not too good for them to watch or to appreciate. So make sure when you're creating a video and exporting a video, you export it in a high video resolution, even though it takes space and it takes a lot of data, but that is the best thing to do. Now, when you also look at the gender, we have 51.2% female and then 48.8% male. With the age bracket too, it started right from age 25 to 65 years plus, meaning that all these people are adults with high purchasing power, and that will affect my revenue, which we are about to see very soon. Now let's look at the top geography area. We have Nigeria, which gave us 23.9%, and then we also have United States that gave us 18.8%, followed by India. We have United Kingdom and then Kenya. But my top two geographic location was United States and Nigeria, and that will have an impact on our revenue. Now let's look at the revenue, because that's what you have been waiting for all this while. For this particular video, the CPM of this particular video is $13.6 and the RPM is $6.69. Now when you say CPM, it is the cost per click for 1,000 views. That is how much advertisers are willing to pay on your videos for every 1,000 views. Now, out of the CPM, we have the RPM. That is what YouTube is willing to pay you from the CPM that you have on your video. So when you look at the RPM of this particular video, out of the $13 that advertisers are willing to pay on my video, YouTube paid me $6.69 from the $13. That is good, right? I think YouTube have shared it 50-50 with me, which is fair. In all, I had $57.55 on this particular video, and I know you are going to say this is a small money. No, this is not small money, because my first YouTube channel doesn't pay me that much. That's why I'm appreciating this particular $57. My first YouTube channel is all about farming videos, and farming video doesn't pay. Usually my average RPM on my farming videos are between $1 to $2 or $3 or $4. I think it's only one particular video on that channel that have $5. The rest are below $5. So if YouTube is paying me $6 on my AI video, I'm very, very happy about it. For me to make $57 on a video on my farming channel or my first channel, I need to get about 15k views, but this one, just 8k views, has given me $57, right? $57, and so I'm really, really happy about it. So now let me share with you 5 lessons that I've learned from this particular video before we end this video. Now, the first lesson that I've learned from this particular video is that to make money on YouTube, you don't need to be a big YouTuber. Just 8k views, you see what I have earned on this particular video. You don't need millions of views before you can start making money on your videos. What matters is who is watching your video and where they are watching your videos from. So for my video, you can see that majority of my viewers are coming from United States, and advertisers are willing to pay more on viewers from those top geographic areas, or from United States and other top geographic areas. That is why the RPM is quite high. So when you're making a video, make sure you make a video to target those areas. Now, the second lesson that I've learned from this particular video is that make videos that will generate high CPM and high RPM, so that it will be profitable to you. What I mean by high CPM and high RPM is that there are some videos on some niche naturally doesn't have high CPM or RPM on YouTube. The farming niche is one of them, and So before you start making YouTube videos, make your research to know those videos that have high CPM and high RPM. Example of such videos are the finance videos, the tech videos, tutorial videos, AI videos. Those videos have high RPM and CPM, and when you are making videos on that, they are profitable. The third lesson that I've learned from this particular video is that what time and engagement matter in creating your video. Now, when you're making a video, for you to be able to get high watch time or high average view duration on your video, your hook is the key. If you are able to hook your viewers right from the beginning of the video to the end, it will increase your watch time, because at each point YouTube will place an ad in your video, and the longer your video, the more adverts you get on your video. But if you are fond of making videos less than 8 minutes, your returns is always small on that video, or the revenue you make on that video will not be that much. Now, the fourth thing that I've learned from this particular video is that in posting your videos, consider the time your viewers are mostly or likely online. Now, what I mean is that looking at your top geographic areas or your top audience, you use your audience location to determine your time. So assuming majority of my audience are coming from the US, then meaning I have to post videos in the active hours, not the time my viewers are sleeping. If you post your video at the time your viewers are sleeping, meaning that the video will end up in a different location, and that will affect your revenue. Now, the final thing I have also learned about this particular video is that consistency pays. Now, this 8K views didn't happen in a day. You understand? It happens as a result of consistency, posting consistently on my channel. That is why this video was able to get 8K views on YouTube. If you are now starting, you might not get 8K views instantly on your video. It will take time before YouTube will start pushing your videos. But if you give up so early, you might not be able to see the 8K views on your videos, and the revenue you are looking for, you might not be able to get it. So if you like this video and you like the information that I have shared with you, watch this video that is popping up on how to get more views or how to fix your low views on your YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.